Hi friends, let's learn about static keyword in Java. Let's cover some introduction part about static keyword in Java. The static keyword in Java is used to construct members and methods that are specific to a class and not instances of that class. The Java static keyword has a variety of purposes. There are four uses of static keyword: static method, static class, static variable, and static block. First of all, let's see code for static variable. I have already created class name with sk. So let's continue our code. I'm defining one variable count, which is static variable for the static int count. Count is our static variable. Let's define constructor. Public class body. Class name is sk, not class. The constructor body. Now let's go into main method and create the object of class sk. sk, let's say the object name is a equal to new sk constructor semicolon. Let's get out write a code for to get an output for our count. Sys out control space all the static variable count a dot count. Save the code. Again create another object b. sk b is equal to new sk constructor semicolon. Write a code called static variable for object b. This out control space b dot count. Save our program. Now let's run our code. Now you can see that our output is 1 and 2 because we have defined static variable count. So let's break our code. In this example, count variable is a static, which this is our variable count. Static it is a static variable. It leads to share it with all objects of sk class. As new object is created, as we create new object, the value of count variable gets increment. If we can now, we have created two objects here, A and B, and now if we create object C, we will get output as 1, 2 and 3. So let's see that skc is equal to new sk constructor semicolon sys out control space c dot count. Let's run our code. Now you can see that our output in console is 1, 2 and 3. Our output is incremented by 1 as we create new object. So this is all about static variable in Java. Now let's see static method in Java. Static method. Let's see an code example for static method in Java. Let's delete this. Let's delete this code. Let's create divide method. Static divide method. Public static int divide. Method parameters int x, int y. These are our method parameters. Return, we are returning division of x and y. So what is static method? When we declare a method as static in our code, we can use it without having to create a whole class first. These approaches are related to the whole group, not just specific things. Static strategies can only use other static components and cannot use non-static components directly. So let's go into main method. Call our static method int division is equal to our class name is sk, method name is method name is divide, sk dot divide. So let's pass the parameters 10 and let's assume that the parameters are 10 and 5. Save the code. For getting output, write the code. This out control space method name, sorry, not method name, division, because we have defined division is equal to sk dot divide. It acts like the result. Now let's run our code. Now you can see that our output is 2, 5, 5 divided by 10, which is 2. So this is all about static method in Java. Let's revise this problem. Break the code in this problem. In this example, divide method is declared as static. This is our divide method. We have declared it as static. This divide method can directly called. We have called this method directly by class name sk without creating an object of the class. So this is all about static method in Java. Now let's learn about static block. Static block in Java. First of all, we have to delete our previous code to see an example of static block in Java. Let's delete. Now I am defining one string, which is static. Public static string word. Now let's define static block. Static word is equal to achiever. We have initialized static block here. Sorry, we have initialized this static variable in static block. Word is our static variable. This is our static block, and this is the method of this is body of the static block. So let's go into main method and write code to get the output of static word as achiever. This is out control space. Call the static block sk dot word. Save the code and let's run the code. Now you can see that our output is achiever. So let's understand again about this code. In this example, static block is used to initialize the word variable to value achiever. This is our static block, and this is word variable. We have used static block to initialize the word variable with to value achiever. Static blocks are executed when the class is loaded before any static or instance variables are accessed. I will repeat again. Static blocks are executed when the class is loaded before any static or instance variables are accessed. So this is all about static keyword in Java. practice more code example to get more understanding about static keyword in Java. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please help to grow my channel. Thank you once again.